Before operating the machine, make sure all mast sections, outriggers, railings, and gates are in their proper position. Be sure the platform is properly secured to the climbing unit before operating the machine. To get started with the PowerLift using the outrigger base, let's remove the outriggers, then install the outriggers and secure them to the base. With your drill and 3/8 hex driver, quickly level the outrigger pads. Place your drill driver into the gearbox. Now that the PowerLift is level with the ground, you can enter the PowerLift's platform. Always use extreme caution when entering or exiting the platform. Drive your drill forward to go up and reverse your electric drill to return to the ground. The PowerLift is just one of the innovative products we offer at ReechCraft. Since 1993, we've been creating access solutions to meet the ever-changing needs of the diverse customers we serve. Check us out on our social media or visit our blog to see product updates, customer stories, and safety tips. At ReechCraft, we're always up to something new.